You know, in spring and summer, I get tons of questions about gnats and fruit flies, how to get rid of them. And they are the nastiest little bugs ever when you get an infestation. But I have a great trap that you can make. They'll go in, but they won't come back out. So let me show you how easy it is to do. We're gonna take 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Now this is the one that smells like apples. We don't wanna use white vinegar. We're going to take 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then we're gonna just mix that up a little bit in the bottom of the jar. Doesn't need to be mixed well. That's all you need to do. Then the most important step is you're going to take liquid dish soap. Now you do not want to mix this in. You want to drop it on top. 1 drop, don't go crazy. 1 drop. That will spread across the surface. Once the gnats and fruit flies go in, they will not come back out. So this is what we do. We're going to take a piece of plastic wrap. We're going to put over that mixture. I'm going to put the lid on the jar. Then you're going to take just a regular toothpick or anything tiny that you have. Just punch some holes in it. Fruit flies are going to come around it. They're going to smell that sugar and that vinegar, and they are thinking they're at the best steakhouse in the world. They're going to go in, but they are not going to come back out. They are going to stay in there. Now, you dump it out when it gets bad to look at, and redo it again. And if you have a colored jar, I kind of recommend using a colored jar because then you can't see the fruit flies in there. But this is a no-fail gnat and fruit fly trap. As long as you remember, don't stir the dish soap in. Instead, drop it on top and leave it there. So if you have gnats and you have fruit flies, this is the best way to get rid of them you will ever find. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.